In this guide, you learn how to fix shift lock not working in Roblox. Let's get started. First, launch your Roblox app and join the game where you want to use shift lock. If pressing the shift key does not think, press the escape key to pause the game. Click on this Roblox icon given at the top left. Go to the option settings. Now from the list of options, find shift lock. Make sure it is turned on. In case it is already enabled, disable it, wait for some time and enable it again. Now I can return to game and press the shift key again. In most cases, this will immediately activate shift lock. If the shift lock switch is already enabled but the feature is not working, the next step is to restart the game. Exit Roblox completely. Relaunch the application and join the game again. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that prevent certain features from working correctly. After rejoining, double-check that the shift lock switch is still enabled in the game settings before testing the shift key again. If restarting the game does not resolve the issue, try reinstalling the Roblox application. Uninstall Roblox from your device, restart your computer or mobile device, and then download and install the latest version of Roblox. Once the installation is complete, sign back into your account. Launch the game and make sure the shift lock switch is enabled in the settings. Then press the shift key to see if the feature is working properly. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.